sibling.
Why you smiling? You ain't get no more siblings. It's just you.
You don't want no more kids?
She turned her fade down real quick.
So you don't want no more kids?
Yeah, I want some more kids.
When you gonna get
Look
married?
at her, now you smiling. You like your hair?
Do you like her hair?
Turn around. Do a spin. You gotta do a spin. Okay, okay. You must think you cute.
Say I know.
Ask to her how much you owe.
How much I owe you?
60.
You got some money? You better pay her. I ain't got no money. Why your money at? How much money do you? You missing some. You supposed to have another one. How much that is? Count it out. 20, 40, 60. 246. Add a 0 to it, you got 60.
Yeah, you count two.
Yeah, count about 20s. 20s, 40s, 60. Alright. Alright, Junior. That's Junior right there. Her name D-Boy Junior. Bike Life D-Boy Junior. Ain't it right? What's your name?
Tatiana Willis.
Tatiana Willis. How old are you, Ty?
7.
7. And how old are you about to be?
8.
8. Ooh-wee. Somebody got a birthday coming up. And what do you want to do for your birthday?
Go to Rigby's.
Go to Rigby's. Okay. Show me your hair again. You like it? You happy?
Yes.
You satisfied?
Yes.
Alright. You had to pay for your own hairdo. How did you like that? You had to pay for your own hair. Did you like that?
Yes.
You did? So you gonna start paying for your stuff now? So dad ain't gotta give you no more money? You don't know about that one?
Yeah, I don't really know.
I gotta keep giving you money. Huh? I gotta keep taking care of you. I thought you.
I asked for my mama to keep putting money on my car.
Oh, that'll work too. That'll work too. All right. Say what's up to the cameraman.
What you doing? YouTube?
You already know what I'm doing, man.
Ain't doing that, but we showing this.
Had to come show them what they do here at Ballhead Motorsports. He ain't doing that too much. He can't let y'all see it though. Do it again. Alright, y'all look at blue collar, man. Hopefully blue collar be ready next time we go to the track. Blue collar is a 2018. And this blue collar sister right here, sister brother. That's the real COVID-19. If anybody will tell you they name COVID-19, they'll lie. We been COVID-19. That Bendy bike name. Alright? But y'all see old blue collar. Blue collar got a voodoo sidewinder. See old Cookie back there. Cookie won't smoke with anybody. All y'all gotta do is hit Nico. And then Turtle, Trent say he just going to bracket race. He say he tired of racing y'all. He said he tired of winning street shootouts. He tired of winning prep with events. He said he just tired of winning, so he gonna let y'all have it. He said he gonna make this old bracket bike too. He done put a new windscreen on it. He done put some blocks on it. This a mean joker?
It's a mean joke.
I don't know. Oh no. Hey man, I'm gonna introduce y'all to Mr. Trent, man, over here at Ballhead Motorsports, man.
That's all they need to know.
That's all they need to know. And then he'll bite the turtle right there, man.
This is the main part. I ain't gonna play with that much.
He said that his main bite. Say he tired of whoop y'all ass with that one. So all right, Mo. Tell the folk what you got, man.
Nothing.
Mo said I was holding out on him. Said that I ain't want to see him while he was doing good. So my boy done went and bought him a crate motor. He said he got something for y'all, man. Mo, tell him what you got, man.
Nothing.
All right. When y'all see him in the Camaro, he ain't got nothing. No trespassing. Look at that fool. Pissing through the damn roof. Funny bill, funny as hell. No. Yeah. Putting a 20 foot on these motherfuckers. Say you pulling the trailer too? You just took around both of them? Hey, I want to see Dog fall today. Hopefully we can see that because it wet out here. The trailer wet and slick. Got old Dank right here. See what Dank gonna do to the money color. He'll have that bit wet. We gonna delete him off the channel, all right? Hold on. Did shit, boy.
Hey, this bitch $6,000. Anybody want a sit rack, they can have it today. Got old 383 in it. Y'all want it? Run good, crank up on the dime.
Another satisfied customer just dropped off the money carload. No, did he just shoot you a bird? Oh, he let the one die. 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 He better have no plus in that.
I ain't got my shit.
He on the pistol on me.
He did for real.
Yeah.
I ain't got my shit.
Look, you see it? Ran that bitch. On that bitch again, boy.
Mm-hmm.